Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to factory reset or hard reset your Vortex ZG55. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now, in this case, hard resetting and factory resetting your device is fairly easy. So the first thing you want to do here is you want to make sure that your mobile phone or your Vortex ZG55 is actually turned off, because we want to put this on a very specific screen here. Now, once it's actually turned off, what we need to do is you want to go ahead and press the following keys. So look for the volume up key, which is at the very top here, and also the power key. Now you want to go ahead and press and hold those two buttons together at the same time, and this will actually start up your phone. Now, it will actually redirect you to another screen, which in this case, you'll now have the option to select your boot mode. Now, you need to look for recovery mode. Now, in order for you to go to recovery mode here, you need to use the up and down keys on your mobile phone. So if you choose the volume up, it will go up. Now, volume down is going to be the down button. Now, if you want to select something, it's going to be the power button here. Now, in this case, you want to go ahead and navigate to recovery mode here. So use the volume up to go to recovery mode and click or press the power button to select recovery mode. Now, once you select that specific icon, it should redirect you to another screen, which in this case, it's going to ask you, how do you want or what do you want to do in this specific setting? So in this case, you want to go to the option that says wipe, data, or factory reset. Now again, use the up and down buttons to navigate here, and to select it, go ahead and click on or press on the power button. Now, once you press on it, it might ask you to confirm it, so just use the up and down button to choose factory reset again. And once you've done that, it will redirect you to the reboot section here. Just click on the option that says reboot system now, and that would actually reboot your mobile phone or your Vortex ZG55, and from then on, you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe at NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.